Hey there, what's up? I'm here with a new video which is quite similar for all bikes, chain slacking. So first of all, how do you know how much chain slack you should have, or how much chain slack you need to maintain? So you need to maintain 40 to 45 chain slack. So let's see how to do this. So first of all, you need to lose your axle bolts here and here, these bolts. So you need 17 ring spanner for left hand side bolt and 23rd ring spanner for right hand side. I'm going to loosen this up. So now you need 12 dollar wrench to lose this lock nut here and the other side also, and here. So now you can see here is some marks given here in a swing arm on the both side, which needs to adjust. So now tight your chain. Don't tight it too much, because if your chain is too tight, then your riding speed will decrease. As you can see, it's too tight now, so I have to loosen this up a little bit. You need to maintain this much slack. This is perfect. As you can see, here is 2 marks inside the gap, and you need to maintain this amount of gap on the other side. So let's go to the other side. Here you can see just one gap, so you need to tight this. Now tight your axle bolt first, then this lock nut. Okay. That's fine. So alright guys, that's it.